Should have turned down the speed. Omir, Omir. I love Wazir. Okay, where am I at? Right here. He's here. And we have food. And then we can control stone right here. Okay, I need to slow it down immediately. We'll do this. Oh, this is a nice map. I like this map. Okay. We'll put it here. Whoops. That's not my pumper, which is bad. So that means we want to block all this off.
The keep is enclosed.
Oh, you can't. Okay, they don't like me. Okay. Build the min thing because you need that. How much money do I have? 6,000? They're actually more than that. They're trolling me. Actually, they're not. That's really good. I'm used to like having only like 2,000 gold, so this isn't that bad.
A message from the Emir.
Our stores are most depleted. Could you spare us some goods?
We're leaving now. Ready, sir. At a double.
We do that on purpose, that way my guy can get on top of the towers. And then we need to set up some food while we do that. Defense is the most important thing. Then you can build your econ. It's like it changes the order.
More wood is needed.
That's unacceptable. I think that's over there, so we'll just...
We await orders. Wood needed.
Wood needed.
More wood is needed.
Unfortunate. We're gonna go for this one first to get rid of all his men and take out, not take out, but severely damage. Okay, so that's him right here. This is my friend, right?
My boy is yours. We are on our way.
Hopefully he takes that out. That's crazy. Sounds good. Hope you get something good. Did they use catapults? I'm not sure.
Your Grace. Your Grace. Manning siege equipment. Always ready.
Your popularity is falling.
Okay.
We await orders. My lord. Leave him now.
What is that? Oh, they're firemen. The Omir, the sheriff, and this is the Wazir. Okay, so the sheriff doesn't have a pumper. He does. And I guess this guy does? Maybe he made those men. Oh my goodness, here they come. That's so strong. Check out his men and got what's it called? Oh, I want to know. Is the healer added in this? No. Oh, we need more money.
We await orders.
Or more men.
Instructions. Moving up.
How many people are up here?
Orders.
Okay.
Attain. Shot. Fall in. Quick.
I think I'm gonna get two. I'm not gonna build the rocks. I'm gonna build the what's it called, macemen, and then have them go over there and destroy it, and that'll save me time. We just need two. Oh my goodness.
Yes, boss. They're dead. There, chicken feed. Move, you don't bash 'em, lads.
The keep is enclosed.
Okay.
What do you need?
It's a rout.
It's
Need
huge.
some muscle. What? What a lousy job. I hate water.
Can't place that there, my lord.
I don't think that's gonna work. We need to take out this pumper, and then we're pretty much in there. We could actually play the game with the bar.
You are the
Oh, we one-shot it.
No, you attack my castle, you attack me. I may be forced to do something about it.
No, no, he's attacked me. Okay, let's get the metal going. Because now we can build soldiers, which is strong, without spending money. And I think I want these two.
Wood needed.
That's okay.
This building has no labor, sire. Under attack.
More bakeries for bread, because bread's the best food to make. It's not close. Oh wow.
We await orders. Yes, your popularity is rising.
Yay.
Your Grace. You need something built. Manning siege equipment.
We only put the tower here to protect the iron. And we also can harass this econ, which is kind of strong.
Yes, boss. They're dead.
We are under attack.
They're chicken feed. Bash 'em, lads.
Move! Move!
Wood needed.
Need more homes for sure.
Can't place that there, my lord.
Where are the macemen?
What do I want to take out? You know what? It looks like a lot of work he just put in.
Message from the Wazir. Leave my castle alone, you wretched tin man.
Not enough gold. We are under attack.
I think in this one,
Greatest lord.
they changed it where their buildings like cave in. then they can't fix them. You have to destroy them and then rebuild them, but AI doesn't do that. So, if I'm correct, obviously, the first one they just build on top of it and they have a new one. So I was like, okay, cool. But his tower literally sits like that.
Aye, sir. We stand ready.
I think to take him out,
We are under
because I
attack.
know he has pitch for sure. He's a Wazir. He doesn't have a lot of men though. If I take out this ballista, I think I can burn his entire castle with great ease.
Your Grace. What needs doing? Constructing siege equipment.
Oh, he uses crossbowmen? I didn't know that. It's okay.
Aye, we stand ready. Our tools are ready. An impossible location.
What do you need? Great. Moat digging.
No, that explains a lot.
Under attack.
Archers, ready.
Finding range.
You didn't want the smoke. Back up.
We stand ready.
Absolutely not.
Ballista ready.
Cool. Thank you.
We are under attack.
Kind of trifling here. I'm gonna try to hit this ballista.
A message from the sheriff.
Damn.
Ballista
Another
ready.
glorious triumph for my honorable lads. What do you think?
Yikes.
Ballista ready. Aye, sir. We stand ready. Ballista ready. Winding her up. Ballista ready. Ballista ready. Ballista ready. Winding her up. Aye, sir. Attain. Shot. Shoulder. Halt. Ready, sir. Forward. Ballista ready. Winding her up. Winding her up. We stand ready.
Okay. Ooh, I'm trolling. What is that?
Ballista ready. Winding her up. Ballista ready. Winding her up. Leave my castle alone, you wretched tin man. Ballista ready. Winding her up. Ballista ready. Winding her up. Aye, sir. We stand ready. Ballista ready. Winding her up.
I guess we just harass him until we get the army big enough to take out the tower, and then we just rush him. He dies.
Ballista, we ready. Try our best. Fall in.
Message to the Emir.
Oh, really? Better do something about your bothersome presence, I suppose.
Oh, yikes. Okay.
Aye, we stand ready. stakes are too low, sire.
Is it worth to take out like that? Yeah. Cool. How many minutes here? 32, like 50 something? What did you go to the store to get? Food? Water?
Aye, sir.
Atmosphere? No, I'm doing the trials. I was doing the regular trials. No. Trials. So, they make you go against different opponents, which these are my enemies, this is my enemy, and they gave me this guy. The first one I did versus Cative was the first mission. But it's like solo missions, while what me and Pyrie were doing was co-op missions, which I don't mind, like, going through the co-op again. Only because I didn't really get...
A message from the sheriff. Another glorious triumph for my honorable lads. What do you think?
Okay. I didn't, like, stream it or get the content from it, so I need to redo it. And also I get better at the game, you know?
What a disaster!
This isn't like sandbox mode where I just... wasting time.
Aye, sir.
The granary is full, my lord.
Granny's full. You know what
Our
that
grain
means.
stocks are growing, sire.
More food,
Our
but
treasury is
you
empty.
get taxed. He didn't even say anything this time. Hell no. Beat down on his castle for a while.
Aye, sir.
Weapons needed, sire.
How far did you get? I'm definitely the farthest out of all the people that bought the game. So Mazel Pyrie, you.
We stand ready.
Like, I know Pyrie can do the whole thing. Maybe. I mean, you let Pyrie be your mentor. I'm not saying Pyrie not a good mentor, but he's not better than me. But you don't want my help. You're like, nah, I want to listen to Pyrie. Okay, alright, fine, listen to Pyrie.
We stand ready. Righto. Backman, forward.
Trial, too. Oh, like the regular? Like the first one? So I understand why he kept lighting my shit on fire, and I'm so slow to make money. Oh, it made you fight Kata for something. Kata's not in this one, but his cousin is, Wazir. Which I think Wazir's harder than Kata. And then the other cousin is Nazir, but you only see Wazir and Nazir
Feel the power.
in Extreme Plus, while the first trial you won't ever run into Nazir or Wazir because they weren't in the game at that time, so it's only Cative. But Caleb is like, he attacks your economy, and then he overwhelms you with Arabian men, and soldiers. Like, he's annoying. You just gotta like know how to beat him. Which Caleb teaches you that you have to have water pots to stop him from burning your stuff to the ground. And leaving stuff undefended is troll. And I'm trolling because I'm not using this. Oh, whoopsie. Did that hit? Cool. I'll do co-op with you. I don't mind. Because then I can learn... I can get like the first mission down and you could like learn different things if you want after this mission or whatever. Which... I have my army. So the only really thing that I really need to do... Because Wazir is really weak. He doesn't have econ. I think he's the worst lord. Yeah, he is. So we'll kill Wazir. I want my bar to get filled up because once Wazir dies, the sheriff's castle is revealed. But I want to attack these two right here. That way I can maybe get into his stuff. But if not, maybe, I was thinking about attacking this right here instead. But he looks like he's about to attack me. Oh, it's all good. Next time.
Your lordship.
Oh, it's just because their castles are conjoined. This is why it looks intimidating.
None shall pass.
So what we do here is we let our soldiers get closer. That way when we actually break this gate...
Disperse your troops. What are they doing here outside my castle?
If your troops are closer to their structures, they can't build. That's why we wait till they get closer. We don't want to break this and then he just rebuilds it. Like, I know he don't got no money, but computers do stupid stuff. This is almost broken too. I forgot about that. Could walk all the way around, but it's not really worth it.
The granary is full. Message from the Wazir.
Leave my castle alone, you wretched tin man.
How many fit on this thing, eh?
Yep, time to speed it up. He's dead. He doesn't have the funds to stop me.
A message from the sheriff.
Why don't you go and play with someone?
A message from the sheriff.
Oh, running out of cash again. Fetch me the tax collector.
Okay, his stuff is open. I think what I want to do actually is...
A message from the Wazir.
We are weak. We will be strong.
The message from the Wazir.
A message from the Wazir.
This was not foretold. I should not hide. No!
A message from the Emir. Oh, well done, well done. If only I had such skill as you.
That's my castle you're destroying.
Damn, he actually might win.
strategy is paying off, my friend.
Your orders? Aye, sir.
I don't think they beat him. I mean, he's screwed, sure, but... Oh, I lied. Yeah, he loses.
The armory is full, my lord.
Aye, sir. We stand ready.
You said the, what's it called, is full, the granary? He definitely killed those men. They were not going to beat him.
Recruits needed, sire.
Yeah. They got him decently low. And then we just have to deal with him afterwards.
We stand ready, sir.
My bow is yours. Need some muscle? What? Here we go.
Bar OP.
Yes, boss. What? All that way? Smash him!
If they get into his castle, he's dead. Look how fast they move. It's like Lord of the Rings when they're on the horses riding.
We are under attack.
A message from the sheriff. Oh, running out of cash again.
He's dead.
Tax collector.
The castle is ours, my lord.
A message from the sheriff. Why don't you go and play with someone else?
We're our macemen.
This guy has a lot of money.
A message from the sheriff. Lost again. Message from the Emir. Oh, well done, well done. If only I had such speed as you. Message from the Emir. Many thanks to you, my honorable ally.
What do you mean? Move, you dogs. Move, move.
A message from the Emir. This war is tiresome. You are tiresome. I will finish you off for good.
What do I want to do? Ironically, Amir's supposed to be like a weaker opponent, but honestly, I feel like he's actually really good compared to the others. Like, he builds a simple, not simple, but he builds a simple castle, which is a diamond versus Lionheart. He uses tower mechanics like clevishes and, well, not clevishes, but Eindenels and ballistas, as you see with the rocks. And then he has armies that can kill you. While some opponents don't have any of that.
We stand ready, sir.
Message from the Emir. Our stores are most depleted. Could you spare us some goods?
Just go out like that. So we'll take out this because we'll take out his granary.
Moving out. salute you. This
I don't think Amir uses pitch though, so that's really good for us.
A message from the Emir. Our stores are most depleted. Could you spare us some goods?
We stand ready. Aye, sir. We stand ready. Jump to it. Moving out.
A message from the Emir. By thunder, what a disaster!
I agree. What a disaster.
Message from the Emir. No, you attack the castle, you attack me. I may be forced to do something about it.
I think he's appalled that you attacked him.
Need some muscle.
I think we can. No, we can't. Not with this. We need to kill these guys, and then we can kill him. We'll just break. Well, that's strong. If we break this, we can just go strictly for him. And GG.
We stand ready.
What?
I'm not gonna lie to you. I think.
Attain. Shot. Shot. Moving out.
I was just going to move my guys forward, but
Shoulder. Halt.
I don't want to get attacked by his Eingedale.
We are under attack. Here we go. Yes, boss.
It's not bad. Okay.
They won't know what hit them.
Come on, Messiah. This armor's heavy. It's a rout.
Message from the Emir. Oh, good army. Let's see what you can do.
What do you mean?
Who's he at? Oh, he's dead. He was weak.
Mother told me to be more careful. Still, a better life awaits.
Victory.